Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jacob with Moreno's Landscaping and Lawn Maintenance. Today guys, I just want to share something that I had to learn in the beginning of my lawn maintenance career. I've been in business for 13 years, so this is like earlier in the first couple of 5 years in my business. Well, anyway, so what it is the bookkeeping part. I just want to share this with y'all because I had a bookkeeper, and they're supposed to keep up with your finances and this and that. Helping me with my payroll, and what got me was at the end of the year we were paying almost like 20 or a little over $20,000 a year for the first 2 years. And when I started talking to other companies and stuff, like, man, it's a lot of money. They're like, well, you get that double checked. Well, anyways, double check your bookkeeper. Don't always assume that they're doing things correctly. All right, I'll always double check. Remember, this is your money, guys. This is what you're working hard for. And so with all that, guys, so we get everything double checked. I had to let the guy go because I was losing a lot of money that was on the table, hard-earned money. So instead of paying a little over $20,000 a year, it came down to $8,000. It's expensive to run your own business, guys. Well, anyways, so besides all that, the payroll, because that's the very important part, guys. That's a very important part because you do not want to mess with the IRS, guys. Your taxes, you don't want to mess with your taxes, guys. Because with my bookkeeper, we got behind on some payments because it was a lot. We just got real behind. They were sending out these IRS letters to me, and I would push them away, because we're too busy working. I didn't have time for that, and I almost lost my business, guys. Almost lost my business. If you ever get a letter from the IRS, answer it. Communicate with them, guys, because if you do not communicate with the IRS, they will shut you down. They will put a hold on your accounts, all your accounts, lien on your properties. They will send letters to your commercial, anybody that you're 1099 with. They will send letters to them, and because that's what they did to me, and that was the most embarrassing part of my career, guys, is when I get calls from my commercial, from some of my commercial places, when I know that, hey, I got a letter from the IRS talking about to send your payment to them. Oh my gosh, that was embarrassing. Well, anyways, so when you don't mess with the IRS, guys. If anything, communicate with them. If you're falling behind, if you're late, whatever, just talk with them, because they will work with you. So end up getting a CPA. CPA comes in. Real nice people. Had more people. It was a bigger company, and so we were with them for a minute, and we were doing all the work, and all they were doing is putting on this computer. And once I found out they were using QuickBooks, that was a game changer, guys, because I knew somebody, we knew somebody who knew how to use QuickBooks, and so they took their time out and they taught me and my wife how to use QuickBooks. And so a lot of things that there's a lot of software program out there that helps you keep your business organized, but they stop at the payroll part. They help you with your hours, how to do how to clock in, clock out. But once it gets down to the payroll part, they stop there. So once we found out about the QuickBooks, we kind of went on our own with that. And with the QuickBooks, it's real good on the payroll part for the main reason they notify us, they give us the updates, and we found out that we didn't have to pay a lump sum quarterly. You could pay it weekly, you could pay it bi-weekly. You could set it up how you want to pay it. It's online, so there's no reason to go and get a money order now and then send it out. You just right there, just type it up, pay it right there and then, guys. Well, anyways, so my thing for you today is, for this video, guys, is double check your bookkeeper, your CPA. And the second thing, guys, don't mess with the IRS because they will shut you down. Yeah, those are my earlier mistakes, guys. So if you're watching this, man, I hope that y'all don't fall in that same trap. Stay mindful on your money with the bookkeepers and all that. So, and I hope this helps, and I hope you got something out of this. Try and make this sweet and short. So to end this, guys, stay strong and stay focused. Peace out.